Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Settings and going to General Keyboard. This is where keyboard management lives. Once done, confirm your iPad OS is recent so features like third-party keyboards and floating mode are available. Next, choose whether you want a system layout change, to add a third-party keyboard, or to enable split/float. That decision changes the next steps. Make sure Bluetooth keyboards are off if you're switching on-screen layouts, so the iPad shows the on-screen options. If you're adding a third-party keyboard, download and open its app to complete setup, then return to Settings General Keyboards and tap Add New Keyboard. Once added, tap the keyboard name to allow full access only if you trust the developer and need advanced features. Otherwise, keep permissions limited. For Apple layouts, use Keyboard Hardware Keyboard or Keyboard Split Keyboard to toggle split or floating. Remember to test by opening Notes and switching keyboards with the globe key. To finalize, open any text field and tap the globe or long press the emoji key to pick the keyboard you installed. Set your preferred layout and language. Customize typing options, autocorrect, predictive text, dictation, and shortcuts in Settings Keyboard so the keyboard behaves the way you want. If the new keyboard doesn't appear or misbehaves, restart the iPad first. If that fails, remove the keyboard in Settings Keyboards and reinstall it. That restart often clears permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.